Hey nail fam, I hope that you're doing well. It's Nails by Tia Bella, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a gift box that I received from melodysusie. Now, we are familiar with melodysusie. They have excellent products, so I was very happy to receive some new gel polish from them. Once I opened the box, there are 5 bottles. 4 of them appear to be gel polishes. This is the first one, and there is just a number to the top of the bottle. Here is the second gel polish, and then we have a third gel polish, which appears to be a black. And lastly, we do have this one, P29, which appears to be a red. Now, I saw this 5th bottle and I was like, wait a minute, where is the gel polish? Where is the brush? I was completely confused for a few seconds and I had to go back to the gift box and I was like, wait a minute, why is there a photo of flowers? So I did what most persons would do and just, stick a little something in there. Now, I noticed that there was a little pulley-uppy thingy to the side of the box. And I was like, okay, it says pull me. And at the bottom is like, oh, there's something else, guys. And voila, here it is. Here is the bouquet of flowers that's supposed to go inside this bottle. Some beautiful dried flowers. What a special touch to a gift box. And also some nail art brushes. Absolutely amazing. Now, I did struggle just a little bit with these flowers, but that's okay. Here is the final look of those beautiful bouquets. Now, I love nail art, and I feel for any beginner, these are a good set of nail art brushes. I looked in the box again, and there were stickers as well. So you have everything right here to get a full set of nails. So let's quickly go through the nail brushes. I definitely felt like this was really good for beginners. There's a good number of brushes here and dotting tools. So you're able to do a lot of different nail art with this set of brushes that comes in this box. So well done to melodysusie. All right, now let's get into swatching these beautiful gel polishes. I'm being a little bit cheap, and instead of using 4 swatch sticks, I'm just going to use 1 swatch sticks and just go ahead and put the color. Now listen to me. The way this brush is rounded towards the tip, and it picks up so much product. That means you're going to use less gel polish and it's going to be less strokes. I was so impressed. Like, I know melodysusie is a quality brand, but the gel polish is absolutely amazing. And it is the brush. It really is the rounded bristles on this brush that is helping this polish, this gel polish, to apply so smoothly. A little goes a long way. Absolutely amazing brush bristles on these gel polish bottles. High quality. I love it. All right. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the remaining 2. So the first one is like a lovely soft pink, but there's a bit of a gold shimmer in that. Then the second one was a beautiful white gel polish. This third one here that I'm doing is a lovely black gel polish. And then the last one is going to be a gorgeous wine red gel polish. These are absolutely beautiful colors. And I feel this is like, these are staple colors that you would use. You would use a black, you would use a white. You need something neutral, soft, and skin tony, pinky. And then you need something bold, which is this red. So this is a good set of beginner colors for everyone. Absolutely beautiful. All right, here's a final look of the gel polish after they have been cured under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. I want to say that they almost seem self-leveling. Absolutely amazing products. I was a little bit curious and I was like, I really love this little shimmery color. I wanted to go ahead and test it on to my little stubby natural nails. And oh my goodness, these gel polishes are amazing. Like, I have melodysusie gel polishes anyway, so I know that they were going to be amazing. But honestly, the big bottles now, because the ones that I previously had was like the small ones, but absolutely amazing products from melodysusie. I'm well impressed. Well impressed. This gel polish is inspired by plants and it is made of eco-friendly ingredients. So if you are interested and you want to support some environmental causes, please do check the description down below for a discount code and a link to Melody Susie. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.